Assalamualaikum and hi. So this video will be the last in the series of in-text citations. And in this video, we are going to focus on language expression in in-text citations. So what are the language expression in in-text citations? So there are two ways of how the author's idea can be emphasized in the written text. You can use announcing verbs, or you can use the signal phrases. What does it mean by announcing verbs? When the announcing verbs are used, you are stating the author's intention and attitude towards the idea written. Different author has different attitude towards a certain issue, and different announcing verbs can be used to illustrate this. For example, Swaller 2014, Swaller is the name of the author, defines cognitive load as including. In this example, Swaller is simply giving or stating the meaning of creativity in his context. So Swaller is giving his definition of creativity. However, Cropley and Cropley 2010 argue that creativity in engineering should include more than the abstract perception. So the word argue here indicates that Cropley and Cropley are debating on the current definition of engineering creativity and are extending that concept to include new elements. So the verb argue here shows the perception of Cropley and Cropley, whereby the verb defines here refers to the definition of Sweller. So this is about using announcing verbs. Some useful verbs that you can use are listed in the table below. So to acknowledge an idea, to agree to an opinion, to disagree to an opinion, to state a suggestion. And here are the useful verbs that you can use for each of the author's attitude mentioned. State, define, concur, oppose, propose, establish. Next, you can also use signal phrases. You can also use the signal phrases to introduce the author's ideas. Please take note on the use of comma when the signal phrases are used to introduce the authors. For example, according to Swaller, the comma appears after the date or the year it was published. Cognitive loads includes. Compared to this one, in contrast to the current belief, the comma is here. Cropley and Cropley 2010 argue that creativity in engineering should include more than the abstract perception. So this is how you can use signal phrases. Let's have a look at more about signal phrases. So some useful preposition that you can use are listed in the table below. So to acknowledge an idea, you can use according to the name of the author, or as stated by, followed by the name of the author. To agree to an opinion consistent with the name of the author, followed by the year it was published. To disagree to an opinion in contrast to the name of the author and followed by the year it was published. That is about signal phrases. And of course, before that, we have the announcing verbs. Let's have a look at this exercise, elephants and cheese, an exploratory paper. So this is taken from the book, the module, all right? If you can see, this is the example or the source of reference. So source F taken from this information and source D taken from this information. And how are you going to put the citation in here? Okay, for F, we don't have the name of the author. The same goes for D, right? So this is the answer. Right, so the name of the article and the name of the source is stated here for source D. So that's all for now, and I believe you can continue with the exercises in the module. Good luck in writing in-text citation for your writing. See you again. Bye.